In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Google Calendar API key. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to console.cloud.google.com, which is basically the Google Cloud, and this is where you can get your API keys. So click on Select a Project, top left, or whatever project you're currently in, and click on a New Project, top right. When you do this, give your project a name. I'm just going to name it Calendar, and then API Test. There we go. And then I'm going to just give it no organization and click on Create. Now, here I'm currently inside that project. It's getting created right now. This will take a few seconds. There we go. And then you have to select that specific project over here. And now that's what we're going to use. Now I'm going to go back to dashboard because this is likely what you're going to see. There we go. And then you want to click on those three lines at the very top left. And you want to go inside APIs and services and click on library. Now inside library, we're going to go ahead and look for calendar. So I'm going to type in Google Calendar API, and then I'm going to click on enter. It's going to find Google Calendar API over here. I'm going to click on it. And after you do that, you want to click on the enable button. This is going to start loading for a few seconds, and then it's going to basically enable the Google Calendar API. And after this, we're almost at the end. We will just have to create credentials, which is of course the API key. And this can be done over here. So it's going to take us to this page. You want to click on the credentials button, which is the third option here on the left. And then inside the Credentials tab, you want to click on Create Credentials up top, select API Key, which is the first thing on the list, give it a name. I'm going to name it Calendar API, just like that. Of course, you can name it whatever you want to, and then these settings are up to you. So you could do it if you want to. You could go ahead and restrict the key here. You could go ahead and select the application restrictions, etc. That's completely up to you. And whenever you're done, just click on the Create button, and your API key is gonna get created over here within just a few seconds. Just make sure you don't share this with anyone, okay? So here's gonna be your API key. I'm going to delete this right away after this video, but make sure for your key, that you don't share it with anyone. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.